Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. One way to do this is by clicking these three icons on your taskbar and then moving the slider next to the sun icon either to the left to decrease your brightness or to the right to increase it. We can also use our keyboard to change the brightness, particularly the function keys. And now the function keys for changing brightness level are F3 for decreasing and F4 for increasing it. They can either be used by themselves, or if you cannot use them just by themselves, that means that your function keys are locked, and you can check if they are if you can see the LED indicator glowing in the top right corner. If your FN key, that means that your FN keys are locked, and to use them you're gonna have to hold down the FN key and press one of these two keys to change the value, or you can simply unlock FN keys by pressing FN and Shift buttons at the same time, and then you can start using F3 and F4 buttons by themselves to change your device's brightness level. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.